This is a quick video to show you how to make sure your students are signed in to Seesaw in the way that they can not only see their homeroom class, but then they also see their specialist classes. This would prevent them from having to scan a QR code in your room and then when they go to specialist and then back and forth and back and forth. So let's take a quick look in our Seesaw to see how the student is signed in. I'm going to tap on Seesaw right now. And the quick way to check is if I tap on the student's name in the upper left-hand corner, it should list all of their classes, and I'm only seeing one class here, so this is definitely not signed in that different way. So I'm going to tap on Sign Out to make sure the student gets back to the sign in screen and head all the way out. Now what they're going to choose to do is tap on I'm a student, and instead of scanning a QR code, they're going to tap on the email Google account sign in. And a couple of schools are working with Sign In with Google. So they would tap Sign In with Google, tap on their name, their ID number, and password, and they are in. But there are others, unfortunately, where this is just not working quite yet. So we are going to have them choose the Seesaw for Schools Clever Sign In. So we're going to tap on that third choice right there. It's going to bring us to a screen where we need to first search for the school. So I'm going to choose a student from Red Oak here. And I'm going to start typing in Red Oak Elementary, and there's going to be a bunch of Red Oaks that show up. I've been in here before, so it's already knowing I'm heading for the Shakopee one, but you need to maybe type in Red Oak and then maybe even Shakopee, so you start to narrow it down. Make sure you're choosing the correct school and tap on that school. It'll switch to the next screen. You'll see our school district listed up on top. You'll see the school, and then they have to enter in their username and password, and in this case it's going to be their ID number at shakopeeschools.org, and then the password in this particular case is actually going to be their ID number again. So I'm going to go ahead and give that a try for someone. And again, the password in this is not that capital and lowercase pattern. This is actually just their ID number for this particular account. And when I click on Go or Log In, should get me past this clever screen. I'll say no thanks to notifications. But a quick way to check to see if they've gotten in the right way is when you tap on their name now, it should actually list all of their classes. So in other words, if I'm in art, I would be in this particular class when I'm making a post. If I go to media, I would tap on the media and make a post in media. Or when they go back to the homeroom, just choose their name, make sure they set it back to their homeroom. That way they don't need to sign in and out again and again. They would just do it one time, and then when they